Hi, I'm Natalie, a Demonstrator Development Manager for Stampin' Up! One of the best ways to start stamping is through an all-exclusive kit, like the one I'm about to show you, because you get to open the box and go. It's why I love kits so much. The Looking Up card kit includes all of these supplies. A stamp set, which is available in English, French, and German, so if you're in one of our French or German-speaking markets, you can get it in your preferred language. You get a clear block, the Bermuda Bay ink spot, Stampin' dimensionals and adhesive dots, and all the supplies you need to make 15 cards, 3 each of 5 designs. Our kits also come with instructions. This lists the contents, tips and tricks, and images of each completed card. Mounting your stamp is easy. You just remove it from its backing and place it where you want on your clear block. These stamps are photopolymer stamps. These are great because you can see right through it and it makes your image easy to line up. To start, you'll want to ink up your stamp. Our inks are water-based, so when you're finished stamping, you can clean them by running them under water, or you can use our Simply Chamois. You just run it under a little bit of water, and when you're done, you just squeeze out the excess and then use it to clean your stamps like this. All right, let's stamp a couple of cards. These are the 15 cards you can make with the Looking Up card kit. These pieces also come with your kit. If you'd like to use these, you can use the Stampin' dimensional underneath them and use them on the cards to help pop it up and give it a little bit of a different look, or you can use these on another set of cards if you'd like. You can find the Looking Up card kit and other kits in our Experience Creativity brochure. And if you want more stamping projects, find a demonstrator near you on our website at stampinup.com. Our demonstrators are there to help teach you how to use these and our other amazing products, as well as new techniques. We're excited to see what you'll create.